Alright. What are you installing today?
If you don't put the fucking camera away.
Oh my god. Yeah. So Gerardo got a rear diffuser. What kind of rear diffuser did you get? Wow, you... Okay, well, he...
Say something racist.
This is the homie Narav. And then he got to clean as Genesis.
You didn't sound proud of saying that.
Static life. You know, gang. And then we're at Narav's house, and then I'm gonna work on the 240, putting on some new speakers because I've been too lazy, and then he's gonna be working on that. So I just gonna take out the panel and then install these bush that I've had for like half a year now, but I never got into it. So yeah, first things first, take out the panel. Alright, quick update. Got the panel off. It was just like a little screw, and then like taking off the little switches, and that's it. This is the old speaker, piece of shit. It was blown. I know. And then we tested the new one. Sounds mint. And then we're just gonna cut these into shorter. That way we don't have so much wire. How's it going over here, Gerardo? Give me the update.
Okay, so
Good?
these nuts,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where the fuck they go.
Oh.
I don't think they're supposed to go in here.
Well, it looks like you got one in.
Yeah, I got one.
Looks mint.
Put the cold clamp.
So, finished the speaker thing, and then now it sounds real mint. Doesn't sound bougie or anything now. Sounds a lot better. Hell yeah. I dig it. I dig it. Did both sides because I need to stop being lazy. Now let's go see what these guys are doing. That shit almost hit you in your face. And I got that on camera.
Well, fucking cool.
It looks aggressive. What's up? That looks really good, actually. Holy fuck.
Yeah, not even?
Let me see. That looks fine.
It's even.
Yeah.
What?
Why? Are the holes not lining up?
Oh, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's even.
You go.
What?
Yeah.
How can you tell me to fucking drill for it?
That looks good to me, dude.
Grab it.
Huh?
Grab it.
Oh, got you.
Bring it down. How do you mount the back?
That's the thing I was looking at.
Is it that?
Ah, that shit sharp. That shit almost cut me.
Yeah, watch coming out from here. Yeah, you just do the bracket and then it's good, right?
Yeah, but I also have to throw these in.
So let's see how it mounts up.
Alright, we'll be back.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
So finished product and Gerardo's WRX. What's the name of that diffuser?
Strafe design?
Strafe design. Looks decent.
There's Jay.
Jay is here. It's lit. And then we lower the rear. Alright, till next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.